Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about making money online, and specifically a new website called Fluence. If you're new here, my name is Priscilla, and I'm all about sharing ways to boost your income. Don't worry about subscribing right now, but if you find this video helpful, a thumbs up would be amazing. Fluence is a brand new website that offers 5 different ways to make money. Not only that, but it has a variety of withdrawal options to suit almost everyone. Unlike some other sites, Fluence actually lets you cash out. So, let's dive in and see what it's all about. 5 ways to earn on Fluence. Surveys. Fluence offers surveys, which are a classic way to earn online. Offers. They also have a section with different offer walls, which are basically collections of tasks you can complete for a payout. Contests. Get rewarded for referring people. Fluence runs contests where you can win cash based on how many people you refer. Affiliate program. Earn a percentage of what your referrals make on Fluence. This is a great way to earn passively over time. Rewards. Fluence has a rewards program with vouchers and level ups. You can unlock new features and rewards as you make more money on the platform. They even have a Discord community where you can find these vouchers. Withdrawal, options, and FAQs. Fluence gives you a good amount of flexibility when it comes to getting your money out. You can withdraw via PayPal, Bitcoin, through Coinbase, Litecoin, or even get a gift card. They also have a comprehensive FAQ section that answers common questions, like how much you need to earn before you can withdraw. The minimum payout is $2. It's worth checking out the FAQs to get a better understanding of how Fluence works and avoid any confusion. Trying it out. Consider briefly showing the sign-up process or browsing the different sections of Fluence here to give viewers a visual. Final thoughts and call to action. Fluence is a new platform, so I can't personally vouch for payments yet. However, it looks promising with its variety of earning methods and withdrawal options. I'll be sure to come back in a future video and share proof of payment if possible. Let me know in the comments below what you think about Fluence. I've left the link in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.